Herzlich willkommen bei der SternMaid.
Welcome to SternMaid. This is how it started 25 years ago. Although the mixer was taken out of service decades ago, it is still a symbol for our pragmatism and our motto, blending is our mission. We have a real passion for contract manufacturing, and our customers have come to know us as a reliable partner. Our business partners greatly appreciate our competent team and our trustworthy handling of sensitive information. We are aware of our responsibility to do everything possible to justify the confidence our customers have in us through maximum quality, care and safety. SternMaid, your flexible outsourcing partner for blending, processing and filling foods in powder form. We produce food supplements and premixes for further industrial processing according to your specifications. Since the plant in Wittenberg was commissioned in 1999, we have continuously reinvested the profits and thus become one of Europe's leading contract manufacturers. Our family-managed service company with over 300 employees will be pleased to work for you as a competent and reliable partner. We can help you with developing new products, procuring raw materials and packaging, or with production, warehousing and logistics, just as you need or choose. We have 15 precision blending lines to meet all manner of different requirements. Solid substances are filled into FIBCs, bags or fiberboard boxes, liquid mixtures into IBCs or canisters. Special product attributes such as suitability for tableting, controlled release, absence of dust, good flow properties and enhanced dispersibility can be achieved with our fluidized bed technology. In our co-packing station we fill a wide variety of tubs, bags and folding boxes. In most cases the products are for wellness, sport or dietetic purposes. Of course, we will be pleased to fill the products you send us as well. SternMaid follows the principles of good manufacturing practice, GMP, and is certified according to the standard FSSC 22000, recognized by the GFSI. We also have organic certification and can produce according to kosher or halal standards. Our high level of quality is maintained through initial and continuous in-service training of our employees. Real-time recording of all movements of goods ensures full transparency and an unbroken line of traceability. According to our self-conception, your product in trusted hands. SternMaid has warehouse space for over 25,000 pallets. So if you wish, we can store your products until your customers call for them. A service that simplifies logistics, saves costs and benefits the environment. We would be pleased to welcome you personally in Wittenberg. SternMaid, your product in trusted hands.